Girl, I got a confession to make. I promise it'll only take a second. Girl, I got a confession to make. Promise it'll only
Welcome
take a
to
second.
Nigeria.
For the first time in a long time, I'm happier. I got everything I need, couldn't be happier.
Hey guys, good morning. I don't know why, but I'm just so happy, probably because it's the end of the month, almost the end of July or June, sorry. I want to iron my clothes. Who else has this problem where they have the clothes but they just don't want to iron it? I hate clothes that I have to iron. Like, I just want to like wear my clothes and leave. But today I don't think I'll iron because the way it's doing me like this, I can just wear this clothes wrong and I'll just leave the house. However, how you guys doing? Good morning. Have a great day. Make sure you're making the money. Make sure you're minding your business. Make sure you're drinking enough water. And make sure you're taking care of your skin. Those things are very, very important. Mind your business, guys. Except the business comes to you.
Wild eyes, I know I've said it before, but this is me, different party, and she wanna hit the floor. No, nobody can cramp a style. No, nobody can cramp a style. But if I go in, it's 100% and on my own. I do this by myself, I just gotta be alone. No, nobody can cramp my style. No, nobody can cramp my style. We talk, we fight, we do it all tonight. We live, we hide. Girl, I got a confession to make. Promise it'll only take a second. Girl, I got a confession to make. Promise it'll only take a second.
Okay guys, so I am close to the place we normally have our Friday meetings. I'm a bit late. This is currently past 10 and meeting starts by 9:30. What to do?
3 days later.
Okay guys, this is brunch for Monday. I didn't go out today, so this is my first meal for the day. Some unripe plantain, egg sauce, carrots and tomatoes with onions. This is what I'll be having for brunch today. So I think this is a bit of a healthy meal, so I'll just go and sit down.
So but you keep on going. I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going nowhere?
Guys, the meal was so good. Have you guys noticed that fresh food, like fresh food stuff, are quite expensive in this season? And ever since my adulthood, I've never had a situation, I've never seen where tomatoes was this expensive. Like I got 4 seeds of tomato, 4 tomatoes for 200 naira. Why? How? Because I know outside the country they pack all these things and they still have it available even when it's not in season. Because when it's in season, it's always surplus. It's like everywhere you have tomato. Like when tomatoes was in season during December period, dry season, it's always surplus. You have it everywhere. So everybody literally had enough to use at that period and also keep for themselves in case of rainy season, which we are in now. I'm thinking, why can't the government come up with an initiative or an infrastructure where there is a system kept in place to, preserve this perishable food stuff, so that when they are not in season, it's still affordable and it's still within reach. Hi guys, good morning. So it's a Tuesday morning, right? Yeah, it's a Tuesday morning and I just got from sleep and I just ironed my clothes. I have a meeting by 10 a.m. It's currently 8 a.m. so I have to start getting ready so I can be there before the meeting. I went to the supermarket yesterday to get a couple of things for myself. I got my toothpaste, my face wipe, and I got this Olay soap. If you guys don't know, I've been struggling with acne ever since I started using makeup. I've had acne, and then it's extended to my chest area. So I don't even have a problem with my face acne because I know it to fade out and it will clear out, but my chest area is always a problem. So what I've noticed is that anytime I eat something that is oily, that has fatty content in it, I tend to break out on my chest area. And I've been looking for solutions for a long while. Please, if you have a solution on how to regulate my diet, what I should use that is not so expensive on a budget, please let me know. I went on to get some skincare products. I don't know if I've showed you guys, but I love this vitamin C serum. It has been doing wonders. And I got a sunscreen as well. Before now, I was not using sunscreen, but ever since I started using sunscreen, I saw the importance of using sunscreen. So I've never left my house since I got this sunscreen, and I've not worn sunscreen yet. Like, it's such a lifesaver. This is my chest. You guys cannot really see because the light is so bright, but this is my chest and this is my face. I'm having a lot of discoloration. I know I'm reacting to something that I'm using, but I'll stop very soon. But yeah, this is me coming on here to talk about my skin and wish you guys a good day.
Wild eyes, I know I've said it before, but this is me, different party, and she wanna hit the floor. No, nobody can cramp a style. No, nobody can cramp a style. But if I go in, it's 100% and on my own. I do this by myself, I just gotta be alone. No, nobody can cramp my style. No, nobody can cramp my style. We talk, we fight, we do it all tonight. We live, we hide. Girl, I got a confession to make. Promise it'll only take.
Okay, so guys, I only ordered chips. Hey guys, happy Wednesday. I happen to be at home today because I decided to take a break from work and just stay at home today. So yeah, it's past 2 to 3 p.m. I am dressed up to leave the house. I'm going to my mom's store. She isn't around, so I'm taking care of her stuff for the meantime. So I have a lot on my plate. If I don't go to work, I have to open her shop for her. I've noticed that I've been overwhelmed with so many activities in my life. I have so much that is going on in my life that I need to take things slowly. If I don't take it slowly, I might just get burnt out, you guys, and that's not a good feeling. Like, I have work, I have goals and deadlines to meet, and I have targets to meet for myself, personal targets to meet for myself for my work, and then I have YouTube as well, which is slacking. Like, I'm really slacking when it comes to posting YouTube content and being creative. And I also have my household, like house chores, taking care of my family, cooking, cleaning, and all of that shit in the bank. And I also have myself, so I literally have 4 things that are going on in my life right now. And if I don't balance the whole thing, one sector might slack, which is not needed. Today I just decided to not to go to work because I noticed that I barely get enough sleep, which is not a good thing. So yeah, this is me coming on here saying, hey, happy Wednesday guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, I'm wearing this native I made it myself when I was learning how to sew, and I'm wearing a white leg pants. I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'll take a picture and maybe insert it by the side of my video. All right guys, yeah, happy Wednesday, have a great day. Welcome to Nigeria. Good morning.
I'm supposed to follow that way.
That's not the way to GRA?
I don't know. I'm trying to follow the map.